M0FXB, hi. So what it is, I've got a couple of Allstar nodes on different frequencies. So I want to add them to my ANYTONE 878. So I'm going to create a new zone and call it Allstar nodes, and then just add 2 channels to it. So I'm going to do that now. And then if you can learn about adding channels on a code plug, then great. You could do it manually on the radio, but this is a lot quicker. So the first thing we'll do is go to zones, and we will double click one of the empty lines, and we'll call it Allstar. Let's do it in caps. Allstar nodes, we'll call it. For now, we'll add any channel to it because it won't save if I don't. So there, we've added a channel to it. We'll delete that afterwards. So we'll click OK for now. So Allstar nodes, we have our zone. Now we got to add 2 channels. Now this is not hard, but there's a long list of channels here, so we need to get to the bottom of the channels. Now, because these are FM analog, it's going to be a lot quicker because we don't have to mess around with talk group numbers, slots, and color codes. So we just double click an empty one, and we'll put in the first frequency on my node, which is 434.400. Now I do have a 70 centimeter hertz on that as well. So 434.400. So let's get the frequency in there. And then let's select that it's an FM, analog. So 434.400, it's analog. Transmit power, well, we're only going to need low for a local node. That all looks good. Let's give ourselves a decent timeout, if I can find that. Oh yes, so we want the tone. Let's just, I haven't done this for a while, so I'm just reminding myself. Encode, CTSS encode, and let's choose 77. Now, I might as well do both for now. If I have a problem, I'll change it, but I think we only actually need the encode, but we'll put both in. I think it'll be fine. Carry it off. Now, I just want to find the timeout, because I know that can be a pain in the neck. So maybe there's no timeout on analog, so that all looks good. 434, it's a simplex frequency. Oh yeah, let's give the channel a name. So it would be Allstar, and I've got 2 boxes, so I'll call it box number 1. Allstar 1. Let's call it Allstar 1. Actually, to make it easier for me, I'm going to put 400. That way I'll know it's the frequency of 400. So we'll click OK. And then what we'll do is we'll just copy and paste that. And then we'll just change the frequency slightly. So we'll just change that to 434. Now the other one is on 550. 550. And this one as well. 550. And the tone is different as well. It's 118. Let me think now. 4345. No, actually, I got that backwards. It's 77 on this one, so that's okay. I can leave this one. Click OK. Then I'll go back to the other one, and that one is on 118. 118. Okay. There you go. That's me making mistakes. Okay, now we can save. Let's save this. Save. Okay. It's all saved to the file. And now we just need to put those channels in our zone. So go to the zone, double click the zone, and this time we can go all the way to the bottom here, add these 2 channels. Yeah, and we could delete that one we didn't want. Click OK. I just realized if we go back to channels that we need to rename that, not 401, but 550, so I can find it, and that'll automatically update in the other section. So yeah, definitely can't see anything to do with timeout at the moment. All looks good. Yeah, all looks good. So click OK, then save that. And then now we're going to send it to the radio. So let's just make sure my radio's connected. Right, connected. check you can see the radio. You can, so we're going to go, we're in COM 5. Just go Device Manager if you want to find your COM. Just go right click, Device Manager, and providing you've already added the USB driver, GD32 is the one you're looking for. So COM 5, I've set COM, there's COM 5, and then just go upload to radio, write to radio, click OK. Cannot open communication port. Let's just check that my cable's plugged in. We just turn it on and off just to make sure. And we just go back to Device Manager, because it might have changed ports. When it comes on, you'll see it appear here. COM 5, definitely COM 5. So write to radio. Click OK. OK. Right, there it goes. So the next test is I've already got my Allstar node running. Here it is on a different radio.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for letting me.
Right, that's a different radio, and then we're going to get the 878 and put it onto that channel and see if you can hear it. So we'll have to find the zone.
I think you've
There
done
you
a
go,
great
straight
job
away.
in that truck, without a doubt, and have an electric child bike on the back. That sounds absolutely brilliant, to be honest with you. We're planning to get over there. Whether we take tents with us is another matter. With there being two of us, we can share, and I know it's expensive.
You can see it's worked, and yeah, that's how to add a couple of FM channels to your ANYTONE 878.
But they do more off-road.
7.3, all the best.